Why do you personalize your customer's journey? Today, e-commerce is going at a lightning speed, but it is also becoming increasingly competitive. Consumers are now having a large variety of sites to purchase from. So, e-commerce website businesses need to optimize their websites accordingly. And this can be done by implementing some personalization strategies. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share some personalization strategies to optimize your e-commerce website to increase your traffic. The first strategy on my list is embrace interactive content. You can conduct interactive quizzes with special rewards. With these interactive quizzes, you get to know your customer's preference, and you can also make shopping a joy by eliminating the paradox of choice. You have to make sure of one thing, that is, your quizzes should be interesting. For example, on the screen you can see that Birchbox conducts a proper quiz to know their customer's choice and preference. Like in this slide, they asked about category of beauty product they would prefer. After this quiz, the customer is going to get the exact product list for which the customer came to the website. The customer won't have to go to the search bar and select the items one by one. See how much time this is going to save for the customer and the trouble of selecting everything. Next on the list is opt for geolocation based targeting. You should identify the location of your target audience, as it is a great way to provide content that they easily get connected with. You can redirect them to a country specific stores. Your content will be easy to read and understand, and the visitors will also connect to the article quite easily as they are reading a language that is familiar to them. Let's say the website visitor is from a country expected to experience summer. You can suggest summer clothes to them. It's going to keep them interested and prepare them to buy what seems to be perfect purchase at that moment in time. Personalized recommendation during checkout. You can show products that are similar to the products in their cart or that complements in the cart items. It might catch their attention and maybe they add that item in their cart too. These recommendations can be really advantageous to you. Firstly, because people discover new products without having to look for them served on a platter. And secondly, they feel they are being attended to exclusively. So, it is going to help in increasing the average order value. If I talk about myself, as a customer, sometimes I do buy items that are on the recommendation list. For example, recently I wanted to purchase a book and added this book to my cart. And when I went to the cart to proceed further, Amazon recommended some other books that were complementing my purchase. In fact, most of the times this happens with me. Whenever I go to buy one book, I end up buying 2 or 3 books. You can also see how Amazon makes recommendation in 3 different ways, that are frequently bought together, products related to this item, and customer who viewed this item also viewed, by taking into users' browsing and shopping history. Next on the list is give them ease of access. Your homepage should reflect your customers' browsing history, as it makes it easy to find their past orders and wish list. It can create a good impression on visitors' mind that they are definitely going to come back to your website to make more purchases. For example, 2 days ago I searched for a laptop, but I left without purchasing it. I opened the website today to finally purchase the laptop. I didn't have to make much efforts by searching for it again. It was already there on the top of the homepage. So, giving your customers ease of access helps shorten their path to purchase and increase conversion opportunities. Amazon has also provided a drop-down tab where you could easily access your browser history. You could easily go to your purchase orders, wish list. Let's talk about our next strategy, and that is show exit intent pop-up. If a visitor surfing on a particular product page is interested in a product but he is not quite ready to buy it, in this case, what can you do? You can offer them a discount when they are about to exit. Based upon the items in their cart, you can offer them free shipping if they buy that item in the next couple of hours. For example, a person was searching for some clothes on this site and was also interested in making the purchase, but for some reason they were leaving without making a purchase. So what Urbanic did was to offer a discount of 20% with a free shipping so that the visitor leaves after they make a purchase. So these are some strategies that I think are highly applicable. You should definitely implement these strategies to gain more traffic and increase your conversion rate. That is all in this video. If you have any suggestions or queries related to this, you can drop them in the comment section below. So I'll meet you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye bye.